Uh, why the government has withdrawn the CID probe into Ranya Rao case? Why this sudden decision?
Well, see, it's the prerogative of the government. There is CBI, there is DRI investigating it, and they were, the opposition only was going hammer and tongue saying that we are trying to scuttle the investigation and everything. Whatever it is, let it happen free and fair if they think so. We also run a quite a capable agency over here. And what all cases we have handed over to CBI, the CBI has always told that the state CID or the SITs have done a fabulous job. So whatever it is, let it be investigated.
The question is, CID can still parallelly investigate.
Yes, we can.
Have you succumbed to the pressure of opposition?
No, there is no question of succumbing to anybody's pressure. We work independently and we work transparently. And the government of Karnataka does not work at the behest or at the criticisms of the opposition. They let them give constructive criticism. If they have good suggestions, we'll adopt. But no, there is no question of trying to be slaves to anybody's pressure tactics.
Yesterday, Chief Minister on the floor of House has assured that he will continue for 5 years, and even if the Congress comes back, he will be the Chief Minister. How do you see this statement?
The people of Karnataka have given us a mandate to give good administration, and that's what the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister and the Cabinet is doing. And we are extremely confident that our schemes will reach the people and they will bless us again in 2028. Congress government is going to come next time around too. And whatever decisions need to be taken will be taken by the High Command.